Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Logitech keyboard not connecting to your laptop. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have this version of a Logitech keyboard. How do you actually fix it so that it can connect to your laptop? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Logitech keyboard is charged. So as simple as it sounds, just make sure that you actually go ahead and charge your keyboard so that it goes ahead and functions properly. The second thing is that oftentimes the reason why my Logitech keyboard doesn't work is because it's incorrectly connected to the wrong device. So for this Logitech keyboard, for example, I can connect to 1, 2, 3 different devices. So anytime you want to go ahead and connect it to a new device, you have to make sure that you're connected to the right output. So for example, number 2 means I'm connected to my laptop, but if I press number 1, that might mean that I'm connected to my computer. So you do have to familiarize yourself as far as which outputs your keyboard is connected to. But either way, there's nothing wrong with actually doing a soft reset of your keyboard in which, let's say that where you want to reconnect number 1, we would just press and hold number 1, wait until it starts to blink, go back onto our laptop, and there it is, MX keys. So we're going to click on MX keys, connect, and then we're going to type in the code for the verification. So 957192. So 957192 and then enter. And then that right there is going to connect our keyboard with our laptop. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix connection issues with your Logitech keyboard. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.